Oh crap! FIGPIN. I got sent to these because of my meme account. Issue is my disease. And it was like, yeah, it was like doing unboxing me. I was like, okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna be unboxing this Pacman 28 pack store pack of enamel pens. They have these things called FIGPINs, hence the name FIGPIN. They're a 3-inch figure that comes with a collector's case and has and you can like take them out and they stick it on something. I got one of the AC/DC people, and we're now gonna unbox what I always wanted to unbox since I was in 3rd grade, a huge box of Pacman enamel pens. There's about 14 to collect. You got Pacman, Ghost, or if you're like me, that did a thing on it in like 6th grade, Inky, Blinky, Inky, and Clyde. Some fruit that's like a thing. Power-ups, you get like some powers, and we got a lenticular ghost. Let's go, the first pack. Actually, super excited. Okay, here we go. I'm actually excited, guys. I'm not joking. Oh my god, I'm actually excited. Oh, we got one of the ghosts. Yep. One of the ghosts. Looks really well made. It's like licensed. Okay, 2 minutes of the video. So I'm gonna do 5 packs in the first video, 10 packs, and then 8. Or the rest of them in like the 4th video. Okay, the 4th one. No, the 2nd one. Oh, dude, this is. Okay, it looks like we got like a flute. Okay. It's a bell. I don't play that much Pacman. I'm gonna play like the first 2 levels. I'm really excited. Hopefully we get the lenticular one. Oh, we got Pacman himself. Okay. Okay, we're like piling through these now. I might do this in like one video. It like stops. That's why. Oh, I need the lenticular ghost. Okay, we got an apple. Okay, sweet. I'm most likely gonna get doubles, so I'm gonna open it off camera. Okay, we got this thing. Don't really know. We got a strawberry. Man, what a nice. Nope. I think we got our first double. Yep, got another strawberry. Not bad. Might trade this later with a friend. I mean, I'm gonna get like doubles. I get 3 of each. And if I get at least like another apple, I'm actually going to get mad now. And it's like now piling. It's amazingly. It got amazingly plenty. And I think in like the first 2 minutes, in the first 4 minutes, I just piled through this. Oh, we got Inky. Sweet. Man, I miss opening these mystery packages. Ever since I was like in 3rd grade, like about 7 years ago. I'm 17 now. I got this thing. I don't know what this is. Please tell me. I just want to thank FIGPIN for sponsoring this again. This video. I'm not getting paid on anything. I just get paid a free pod for review. I mean, if you're like, hey, if you're a company wanting to send me stuff to unbox and like post on Instagram, please do. Oh, I got cherries. Sweet. I really never played these ones out. Hey, we got another Inky. I might give some things to pin to friends. I mean, I think I got a friend who would be willing to love this. I mean, yeah, I might do. Okay. Oh, we got another one. Man, this is giving me anxiety. I freaking hate this. Do we get like a full one? Oh, I'm getting just doubles. Okay, if I get like a third double. Oh, we got the blue one. Inky, Blinky, Inky, I think. I did a report on a Pacman gumball machine. And I remember I had to like Wikipedia the names of Pacman. It was fun times. Oh, we got a orange. I think we can do it. As long as we get one particular ghost. There's like tons more, so I'm just gonna pile through these. We got another bell. I'm probably never gonna. I don't like doing these in boxing. Oh, we might get a lenticular. We most likely will. I made a blue ghost. The blue ghost hasn't. Got another blue one. Sweet. Actually, to be honest, I'm not that thrilled with doubles. I wish they could have told me if like I'm gonna get the full set, because if I don't, I might gonna be asking for more. Got the orange one. Okay, we need like one more ghost to complete our collection of ghosts. Then, yeah, be piling. We need like 3 more. Yeah, we need 3 more. So, yep. Another Pac-Man. I'm not bad. It's not that bad. I think you get like 2 of each in here. Not sure. Another grapefruit. I don't even know. Okay, so I might. Okay, so it's possible for me to get like, because like I never got like a third one of anything. Okay, sweet. We got the key. Sweet. Need like 3 more to complete the collection, and then I might end the video and like give the remaining package to like a friend in need. Another whatchamacallit? Okay, I'm most likely gonna be guaranteed if there's like 2 of each. And like, oh dude, this stuff be like, this is what it takes. Okay. Another orange one. Good. I'm not. Okay, so there's like 4 more. One of them is, I'm guaranteed a, this got really frantic. It's amazing. Oh, we got the lenticular! Okay, we got the lenticular. Sweet! Okay, great. Lenticular. There's like 3 more. There's 3 more. I'm probably gonna. I might get sent, and I won't get it sent. I'm probably not gonna get sent anymore to unboxing YouTube. Got the torch. We just need the pink one. Do we already? One sec. Oh. Do you got like any more? You got the red one? I think we're done. Yeah. Hold up, wait. Hold up, wait. We got it. I'm gonna do a thing, and wait. Got like 2 lenticular ones, so these 2 are most likely doubles. But let's unbox them anyway, because yeah, I completed the whole collection, and I made a mess. Okay, we got a key again. We got a Pacman pin, so I mean, about like 3 counting the one in the box, but that's for storage. I might like stick some in here because like I got doubles, and we got an orange. That was one of the most frantic. I never felt so much. We got no doubles. Well, we got like, so basically we got 2 of each pin. Let's actually see what we got. Let's see. This is the whole thing. the whole thing I made. And there's like some on the ground too. There's like one on the ground. Okay, so. Okay, so the review is that we got two of each. And the lenticular one's cool. And I'm probably gonna put it on my guitar there. Strap, of course. Might do like one